Race number 8. Pilracom Handicap Race number 5, 1,300 meters, and they rope. Panamera Serenata in between runners, moving up by the rail is the favorite P-Shirt Jump. Then running on the outside, Deadly Storm, Storm Play, and trailing the group is Salvatore as they race towards the 900 meters post with Panamera in command by about 2 lengths. Serenata is on the outside, second, and by the rail is the favorite P-Shirt Jump. Deadly Storm joining them in fourth. Then comes is Storm Play, while Salvatore is still in behind them as they race towards the 600 with Panamera still in command by about a length. Running in second on the outside, Serenata. P-Shirt Jump is slowly but surely inching in by the rail and opted to run in between runners, and on the outside moving up is Storm Play, runner number 3 as they swing for home. Now we have Panamera, then on the outside P-Shirt Jump is Storm Play joining them on the outside, and down the stretch they come. P-Shirt Jump now the leader, Panamera drops back in second, is Storm Play in third. With 100 meters of the race, Jonathan Hernandez on top of P-Shirt Jump, winning this race over Panamera. Third is Storm Play, then comes Serenata, Deadly Storm, and Salvatore.
160.